Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us for this special collagen skin booster training. I am so excited and so honored to have been invited to do this training with you. My name is Laura Chacon Garbado. I work for the Office of Health and Nutrition here at Herbalife Nutrition, and it is a great privilege for me to be able to come and share this moment with you. To tell you a little bit about my story, I've actually been around for quite some time. I don't know if I've had the privilege of meeting many of you yet, but this is one of many introductions to us, and hopefully we will be and staying connected, even if it's via these means of technology, which now allows us to be connected. But I have been with the company since 1998. I know I started a long time ago, and I actually started back in the day. If many of you watching this call, if many distributors of you have been watching this call, you might remember, if you've been around for more than 20 years, you might remember that we used to have a skincare line called Dermagetics. And if you've been around that long, you remember we used to have cosmetics, we used to have skincare, spa, aromatherapy, an acne line. We used to have this really great array of products. And so I was hired to be the trainer for North and South America. So I have been around for a long, long time, but maybe you haven't seen me, or maybe I haven't seen you, because I was actually working in the North America region for quite some time. And I just came back to worldwide training about 3 years ago. So I'm starting to come out once again and share my passion and share my knowledge. I actually had the privilege to work with our founder, Mark Hughes, and that really changed the trajectory of my career. It changed the way I viewed this company, because I knew that this company had a heart and that it came from our independent distributors all over the world. And so I'm sure that wherever Mark is today, his spirit and his essence and his knowledge is within all of you, within all of us, to make this world healthier, right? Healthier, one person at a time. So with that being said, I want to share my screen with you, because I have a presentation which is this new amazing product. So I am really excited about this, because I actually love this product. It is one of my personal favorite products. And just a little bit about my background. I'm the chairwoman of the Outer Nutrition Advisory Board. We have about 6 worldwide members who also do the same thing that I do. Not all of us are employees. I am an employee of Herbalife. I do work for the corporate office here in Los Angeles, California, actually in Torrance, California, where I am today. And I am a licensed esthetician. I have postgraduate education from the Dermal Institute here in the US. And my passion is skin. My passion is to talk about the importance of taking care of our skin. Now, one of the reasons why we are so excited about bringing you this new product into the Europe market is because the global nutracosmetic market is currently worth $2.5 billion. Did you hear that? $2.5 billion. The nutracosmetics are beauty and food supplements that work within the deeper layers of the skin to nourish and revitalize and protect the skin. And 29% of the global market for beauty relates to supplements are based in Europe. And so currently there is an opportunity for us, Herbalife Nutrition, to bring and to supplement that gap that we might have had within our portfolio. Even though we know all of our products support all of the body, we wanted to bring something that was specific to skin health. And so this is why we're talking about this product today. So why Collagen Booster? Why now? Because Collagen Booster is one of our top selling products in other regions. So I had the privilege of launching this product in 2017 in North America. And as you may know, if you have been with Herbalife for quite some time, you know that the portfolio, the product portfolio in Herbalife Nutrition is very, very wide. And in the US, it's got over 100 products. And because it is the first market that Herbalife Nutrition started in. And within that market, this product is already in the top 10. So, and one of the reasons why the Collagen Skin Booster is in that top 10, and in all the countries that it's been launched, you are getting the same results. It's because it is backed by science and it is backed by results. Most importantly, why do we continue to consume these amazing products on a daily basis? Is because of the science and the results that we're able to see in our body. So we currently have that gap in the nutricosmetic products in Europe in the product portfolio. And this is the reason why we wanted to bring Collagen Skin Booster. And this is why now is the perfect time. So consumers in our region, in your region, are continually seeking for beauty products with proven scientific claims. There are so many products in the marketplace, but one of the difference between our product and the products that are out there is that we have science to back it up. So let's talk a little bit about the skin. Let's talk a little bit about how the skin works. Let's talk about why this product is going to be so beneficial. So a couple of reminders about skincare and skin fundamentals. So as a reminder, you might have already heard this, but skin is the largest living organ. And in order to keep it healthy, we must keep it flexible and we must keep it hydrated. Healthy skin starts from within. Remember, everything that you eat shows up on the skin, but a good skincare routine can really help the skin look healthy. And you know, the skin is the largest living organ that we have. It makes up about 15% of our body weight. It regulates our body temperature. Our bodies are so smart that you don't have to tell your cells, hey cells, open up when it's hot outside so that you don't overheat. Your body does it automatically. You also do not have to tell your body, hey cells, close up when it's cold outside to keep the heat inside. Your body does it automatically. It's a living organ. It knows what to do without you having to say anything. You know, in each square centimeter of our skin, we find about 6 million cells, about 100 sweat glands, 15 oil producing glands, 200 pain sensors, and about 5 little hairs in each square centimeter. It is the largest organ of the human body. And besides the brain, it's the most complex organ. And you know, when we think of our body as a living organ, we think of our lungs, we think of our, you know, our heart, you know, our stomach, our gut, but we don't think sometimes that our skin is a living organ, and it does so much for us. You know, our sheds, our cells are constantly regenerating themselves. We shed about 40,000 skin cells a minute. So it is a living organ that it's constantly regenerating itself. And this is why we have to take care of it. This is why we have to nourish it with the best ingredients out there. So let's talk a little bit about the different layers of the skin. So the outer layer of the skin, that's where, that's the part that protects our body. Remember, it has so many different layers. We could actually spend days talking about all the different layers, but we're just gonna go over the surface and talk a little bit about what the different layers do. Remember, the epidermis, this is where it creates new cells and protects the skin from damage. So this is the first layer. It's a thin but very tough layer, and that continuously keeps on growing new cells. And what it does, it brings them up to the surface and it makes it hard. It makes it a protective layer so that whatever keeps the inside in and the outside out. So it protects you from pollutants, it protects you from viruses, it protects you from contamination. It's what keeps everything in your body intact. And this layer needs to be protected. It needs to be flexible. It needs to be able to move in order to protect itself. Because if it's not flexible, it could break easily. And if it breaks easily, things can get in there. So we want to make sure that this layer, which is a very important layer, stays hydrated, stays, you know, flexible. And the way to do that is by what we put in our bodies. Then there's the dermis. That's the middle layer. That's where collagen is located. This provides elasticity, resistance, protects the body from injury. So think of your body as a bed, okay? So that layer in the middle is like your cushion. And what happens to your cushion over time? When you buy a brand new bed, that cushion is really nice and firm. You can jump on it and you bounce right back up. It's fantastic, right? But what happens after having that bed for 5 or 10 years? What happens? It starts to get lumpy, right? It starts to get those dents. You know, you bounce on it and it doesn't quite bounce you back right back. It takes a little bit longer for that bounce, right? So that's what happens with the collagen in our body. As time passes, as time progresses, it starts to diminish. So that bounce is not there like it used to be. It's not as elastic as it used to be, like that cushion in our bed, right? So the top layer is what protects the bed. The middle layer is that cushion. And then the bottom layer is what sustains the middle. But the middle is so important because that's what gives your bed that flexibility. So this is why collagen in the body is so important, because that's what gives your body that flexibility. And it is super thick and it's important to keep it healthy. Then there's a hypodermis, that's the bottom layer. And that's the deepest layer of the skin. That's where the living cells are. Blood vessels from below, regulates the body temperature, acts as the energy reserve, provides, you know, it's composed of fat, it provides strength. And this is what keeps all your organs in place. And think of it this way. Everything that you eat is going to show up on your skin, because everything that you eat is in that hypodermis layer, and then it's going to move up to the dermis and to the epidermis. So you are what you eat, and it also will show up on your skin. And that's why nutrition is so key for a healthy skin. It's key to a healthy skin, because what you eat in private will show up in public. So you might not tell everybody about the fact that you ate that piece of chocolate cake, but if 2 days later you're getting blemishes on your face, that's your body telling you, hey, you can't hide what you eat, because it will show up on the largest living organ of the body, which is your skin. So how does skin age? Well, the skin gets thinner, it gets drier, less elastic over time, kind of like your cushion in your bed, becoming less able to protect itself from damage. It becomes more fragile, easily bruised. The blood vessels become thinner. You know, you could hit yourself, and before it would be like, ow, it just hurts. And now you get a big bruise, because that's what happens as you age. Your body, your skin gets thinner and more fragile. So what are some factors that actually affect the body? So we just talked about the importance of nutrition. Nutrition has so much to do. And, you know, we start to lose about anywhere from 1% of collagen every year, starting in your mid-20s, up to 1.7%. And the factors that are going to affect that are, a lot of it is your lifestyle. So you can lose chronologically, so normally 1%, starting in your mid-20s. You might not see it in your mid-20s, but trust me, you're losing it. And then it'll start to show up in your 30s, in your 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s. But you start to lose it chronologically. It's part of aging. It's normal. But you can lose it even quicker by some external factors if you're not careful. So it's very, very important that you look at environmental factors that can actually make you lose your collagen a lot quicker. And remember, collagen is what gives your body that bounce. It's what gives your body that structure. It's what keeps it looking smooth. It's what keeps it looking young. And so you want to try to maintain the collagen that you have as much as possible. And so there are things that you could be doing that are going to diminish the collagen in your body even quicker. And those factors are 100% under your control. And so What is that? Your nutrition, what you put in your body. The nutrients that you put in your body are essential to keep the collagen that you have, so that it actually slows down that aging process that we're all going through. And you want to make sure that you're putting the right nutrients into your body, and that you're supplementing your body with all the key essential macronutrients, micronutrients, phytonutrients to keep your body healthy. Obviously, also stress can affect your body negatively, because when your body is at stress, and it's at constant stress, a little bit of stress is okay. You know, if you're being chased by a lion, you need a little bit of stress. You need a little bit of adrenaline, a little bit of cortisol to get you running a lot quicker. But most of us are not being chased by lions or bears, at least not anytime soon that I can think of. If it happens, let's hope you have enough adrenaline to run. But for the most part, a lot of the stress is created where? In here, it's mental. But what ends up happening is that it actually affects all of our body in a negative way. So when there's an overproduction of that cortisol, there is negative effects that can actually age our body, because it diminishes the collagen that you have, because your body is not able to function normally. So stress can actually make you age a lot quicker. So let's concentrate and focus on the things that we can change, and not on the things that we can't, right? And I know that if you've been in Herbalife for a long time, we've all read the messages of Jim Rohn, right? And he always talked about that for things to change, we had to change. And sometimes it sounds like an easy thing, but if you really think about it, he was right. For things to change, we have to change. So for stress to leave our body, we have to let go of that stress, because it's not good for our body, and it's definitely not good for our skin. And so then you have also the environment, pollution, UVA rays, UVB rays, ultraviolet rays, the rays that you don't see even when it's gloomy outside, when there's no sun. And this can really decrease the production of collagen in your body. So it is important that you're wearing sunscreen on a daily basis. And again, these are all factors that are under your control. Nutrition, under your control. Stress, how much stress you allow to come into your body, under your control. You can't say, oh, this situation stresses me out, or this person stresses me out. No, you're allowing that to happen. You have control over that. You have control over how you protect your skin when you go outdoors from that sun exposure, from that UVA light. So you have control over that. You have control over how much water you drink. That is also a factor that can actually make you look a lot older than your chronological age. If you're not hydrating your body correctly, you're going to be able to see all those lines, all those wrinkles. And this is something that you have complete control over. Drinking enough water throughout the day, making sure that you are hydrating your body throughout the day. You have control over that. Remember, what's the difference between a grape and a raisin? The difference between a grape and a raisin is hydration. That's right, hydration. That is the only difference. So do you want to look like a raisin, or do you want to look like a grape? So hydration is under our control. No one can tell us not to drink enough water or to drink enough water. That is under our control. So important that you are drinking water. And these things, again, are under our control. Sleep. Sleep is another external factor that can affect our skin. You know, when we sleep, when we are at rest, our body is regenerating itself. It's renewing itself. And if we don't sleep enough, then we are never allowing our body to regenerate itself. We are never allowing our body to renew itself. And who has control over how much sleep you have every night? You do. You have control over how much sleep you take in every night. Unless you have a baby, then you have an excuse that you might not get your full 8 hours of sleep, or 10 hours of sleep, or 9 hours of sleep, or 6. But if you are a healthy adult, then you should have control. And if you obviously don't have babies, you're going to have the control of how many hours you get on a nightly basis. But sleep is such an important part. And if you don't get enough, that is a factor that is going to age your skin a lot quicker. And of course, there's internal factors, there's genetic factors, there are hormones. Ladies, by the way, when we hit menopause, that's right, when we hit menopause, we start to lose the collagen in our body at a 2% rate. Yes, I know. Thank you very much. There's also skin conditions that could age our skin. But there are still things that we can do to supplement that collagen that we're losing on a daily basis. And remember, 70% of healthy aging is your lifestyle. So only 30% is genetics. So don't say, oh, you know, my family members had this type of a, you know, condition, so I'm going to have it too. No, that doesn't mean you're going to have it too. If you lead a healthy, active lifestyle, you have the ability to sometimes change that. Remember, 70% of healthy aging is lifestyle and only 30% is genetics. So don't think that because you had, you know, these genetic conditions in your family that you're going to have them too. You can definitely change by what you consume, what you put in your body, your lifestyle. Are you being healthy? Are you being active? Are you sleeping enough? Are you consuming the right products? That is really going to make a difference in the skin. So what is collagen? Let's talk a little bit again. We talked about it. It's that cushion in the bed, right? As an analogy. But collagen is the most abundant protein in the human body. It accounts for about 30% of the total protein mass in our body. So it's what gives our body its structure and its firmness. And it makes up 75% of our skin. So important to understand that out of the collagen in our body, okay, it accounts for 30% of the total protein mass in our body, and it makes up 75% of our skin. 75% of our skin. So together with elastin, collagen keeps the skin firm, it keeps it bouncy, it keeps it looking great, it keeps it looking smooth. And when we're young, of course, it's plump, it looks amazing, it's smooth, because collagen is constantly regenerating itself. But we start to see a change as we age. And remember, you might not see it right now because you're in your 20s, but it starts in your 20s. It starts to diminish in your 20s. You might not see the effects until your 30s and your 40s, but let me tell you, preventive treatment is the best treatment because it really delays the onset of the aging process, which we're all going to go through. So there's about 28 different types of collagen that we have, but the three most prominent types of collagen are collagen 1, 2, and 3. And collagen 1 and 3 are the main collagen types located in skin. So remember, 75% is skin. So collagen 1 and 3 is the main collagen types located in the skin. And it makes up about 75% of our skin. And so this is why we wanted to concentrate on a product that brought benefits to collagen 1 and 3. So Verisol P, it's a very unique ingredient that has been derived from peptides obtained from type collagen 1 and collagen 3, which are the types that are located for and to support skin health. Okay, because remember, that is most abundant protein in the human body is collagen, and we wanted to concentrate and we wanted to bring something to you that was going to concentrate on what? Let me show you once again. On that it makes up 75% of our skin. So we wanted to make sure that we brought something to you that was going to support collagen 1 and 3, which are the main collagen types located in the skin. And so what is Verisol P? So Verisol P is the most scientifically backed collagen peptide source in the market. So we looked at all the collagen options that were in the market. And this is the most scientifically backed collagen peptide source in the market. And it is made up of pure naturally sourced type 1 and type 3 collagen, which is to support skin health. And they have been specifically developed and scientifically proven to provide results after 4 weeks. So after consuming this product, you're going to start seeing those results in 4 weeks, and then continuously as you continue to take the product. Verisol P works by stimulating our skin's metabolism from the inside. From the inside, it's going to start working, and then it's going to show up on your skin. Now, Verisol P uses collagen obtained from porcine due to the strength of science and bioavailability compared to other sources. So we looked at what other sources were in the marketplace, and we found that Verisol P obtained from porcine was the best source of collagen to bring you results. Also, porcine collagen also has less allergens than other sources. And Verisol P, the reason why we brought you Verisol P is because it has the strongest scientific package among porcine collagen peptides for skin appearance. Because remember, it makes up about 75% of the skin, okay? Collagens 1 and 3, and we wanted to bring something that really brought results. Now, a lot of people say, well, why didn't you go with a vegan option or with a plant-based option? So why not one of those? Well, we looked, and you know, those types of collagen, they do not contain collagen, okay? Instead, they don't contain that protein. Instead, they only contain micronutrients because they're plants. And so like a vitamin C, which contributes to normal collagen formation. But remember, we needed to bring you something that was going to produce that protein in the body. And so this is why we went with Verisol P, because we wanted to make sure that whatever we brought you to the market was going to provide results, because we're a result-driven company. And so we wanted to make sure that what we brought you was result-driven. So how does Verisol P work? So it's high-grade collagen peptides work within the skin. And remember, the peptide of the collagen has to be very small in order to penetrate into the dermis. So we looked at collagen creams, by the way, but collagen creams don't work because they only stay in the epidermis, on the top layer of the skin. They actually don't penetrate into the dermis. So in order for something to work, it needed to actually penetrate into the dermis. And that's why we found Verisol P. This ingredient actually penetrates the dermis. So it's a high-grade collagen peptide called Verisol P, which it's going to stimulate the skin cells to produce more collagen. You actually need something that is going to penetrate into the dermis to produce more collagen. It reduces eye wrinkles. My goodness, can you imagine? It reduces eye wrinkles, and it improves the skin elasticity after 4 weeks. And remember, the thinnest skin that we have on the body is the skin around the eye area. That's where you see the wrinkles first. And so this product actually helps to support the skin all over the body, right? But especially to reduce the wrinkles around the eye area. So this product, the secret to Verisol, very important that you understand that the secret to Verisol lies in the production process. It's the way this collagen is cut into smaller peptides. So what that means is that it's going to be easily absorbed into the dermis. It's going to go into your gut, and it's going to help to stimulate the skin cells to produce more collagen. So the collagen that we lose due to the aging process, due to external factors that sometimes we might not be aware of, is replenished when we drink an ingredient like Verisol P. This is why this product is so exciting, because honestly, the sooner you start to consume the product, the sooner you will really start to see the benefits of this product. And it is an amazing product. It is called Collagen Skin Booster. And what is it? It's a collagen skin booster, is a beauty supplement that contains the Verisol P ingredient, which is scientifically proven to improve skin elasticity and reduces eye wrinkles in 4 weeks. Also, Verisol P contains some of the most powerful bioactive collagen peptides in the market. And these hydrolyzed peptides are much smaller than regular collagen molecules. So they allow them to be easily absorbed into the body, into the skin. They penetrate deep into the dermis. That's where you want them to be, so that they can stimulate production of new collagen. So Verisol P really slows down the aging process, delaying the signs of aging, correcting the signs of aging if you already have them. But if you don't, if you're in your 20s, it's actually going to delay the aging process, because it's smoothing the formation of those wrinkles and improving the elasticity and the firmness of the skin. It really helps to improve the elasticity, reduces wrinkles, increases the moisture of the skin. So if you already are seeing those fine lines and wrinkles, so if you're already seeing that loss of elasticity, loss of collagen, you're going to see your skin looking amazing. Now, if you are still not seeing them, you're actually going to delay the aging process, which is an amazing benefit. Why not? Why not start taking care of your skin now and actually delay the aging process? What I love about this product is that you are going to need approximately 2.5 servings a day in order to receive the benefits of the product. In addition to the Verisol P, which is a great ingredient, it also has 9 key vitamins and minerals to support beauty from within. So this is what makes this very unique. So you might say, well, great, Verisol P, I've heard of that ingredient before. Yes, but have you heard it with these additional benefits? So not only do we have this Verisol P in this product, which has all those proven results, but it also has those high vitamins and minerals to support beauty from within. You know, it has zinc, which is a natural mineral that provides growth and maintenance of the human body. It has, you know, selenium, which is a mineral in soil, but it really helps to really support skin health. It has that biotin, which is also known as vitamin H, that supports the health of the skin and nourishes the hair and the nails. And sometimes when there is a deficiency of vitamin H or of biotin in the body, of that nutrient, we start to see our nails being very brittle, our hair being very thin. So when you start to consume this product, not only are you going to get the benefits of those collagen peptides, but you're also going to get additionally those high vitamins and minerals to support that beauty from within. There's 30 servings per pack. It's super low in calorie, which is great because, you know, for many of us, we're trying to make sure that we're watching our calories, that we're maintaining. And you might think, well, is it really high in calorie? You might think that because it has an amazing, amazing strawberry lemon natural flavor. It tastes so good. You are going to love it. And so you might think, oh my God, is this full of sugar? But it's not. It's made with stevia, which is a natural plant, and that it's not going to add any extra sugar. It doesn't. It's super sweet. I'll tell you that much. It is super sweet. It actually tastes amazingly delicious, but it is because it has the stevia. So it is very, very low in calories. It's gluten-free. It's got that amazing strawberry lemonade flavor. And then, of course, it has volume points, which is also a good thing for all of you who are out there in the market trying to make sure that you are continuing to grow your businesses. And I love this product because it's very versatile. So if you just want to, drink it on its own, it's fantastic. So Collagen Skin Booster benefits contain the Verisol P ingredient, which is scientifically proven to reduce eye wrinkles and improve the skin elasticity in just 4 weeks. Verisol P is also known to decrease the visible signs of cellulite after 3 months. I know you might not even know what cellulite is, but just so you know, it's trapped fat between underneath the surface of the skin. There are many factors that could cause you to have the appearance of cellulite. It could be a predisposition. It could be your percentage body fat. Sometimes there is skinny fat people. I know you've heard this term, that have a lot of fat trapped. And so sometimes they need something to help that. And just so you know, if you might know someone who might be suffering from that trapped fat underneath the surface, Verisol P has shown to decrease visible signs of cellulite after 3 months of regular use. So this has scientific backing. And remember, it has these additional benefits of these key vitamins, A, C, and E, niacin, biotin, minerals, zinc, selenium, copper, iodine to support healthy hair, skin, and nails. And that strawberry lemonade flavor, you are going to love. And the great thing about it is that you know us here at Herbalife, and including me, even though I'm part of the corporate staff, I love all of my Herbalife products and I love to mix them. So sometimes in the morning, I like to have my collagen by itself, you know, just with water. But at times I like to mix it with my tea, or sometimes I like to put it in my shake. So just so you know, it's a very versatile product. So you can, you know, prepare it and use it in many different ways. But by itself, it's amazing. It's delicious. It's got a strawberry lemonade flavor, which is amazing. So you can use it once daily by mixing 1 scoop to 250 milligrams of water. You stir it and you enjoy. And it is easy. It is versatile. Like I said, you can add it to your tea. You can add it to your aloe. You can add it to your shake. If you like oatmeal in the morning, you can add it to your oatmeal. You can add it to anything you want to add it to, or you can drink it by itself because it tastes amazing. So remember, again, the secret to Verisol, to this ingredient, to the collagen, is it lies in the production process. It's the way the collagen is cut into smaller peptides so that it's easily absorbed into your body, and then it starts to work. It starts to produce that new collagen. And so honestly, the sooner you start consuming, the sooner you're going to start to see the results of the product. But let's not forget about the importance of a routine. Let's not forget about how we can continue to also nourish the epidermis, the outer layer of the skin. And we can do that by using products like line minimizing serums, which helps to diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles in just 7 days. It's got that clinical testing to show remarkable improvement in the skin, smoothness, radiance. And what I love about this product is that it's very versatile, and you can put it in different areas of the body. So, you know, you can put it on the eyes, on the lips, you can use it on the neck, you can use it all over your face. And so it is very versatile, and it is a treatment. So it doesn't replace your moisturizer. Remember, this is an addition to your moisturizer. So think of this as your protein powder. Okay. So this is in addition to your Formula One. Your Formula One is your main meal, and then your protein powder is an addition. So line minimizing serum is like your protein powder. It's an addition and a complement to your Formula One. So think of your protective day cream as your Formula One. Your protective day cream, SPF 30. It's a long-lasting moisturizer that leaves the skin soft and smooth. It helps to diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles in just 7 days. So can you imagine? Now you're having the most amazing outer nutrition out there, and now you're having the most, an addition to the most amazing inner nutrition in the body. You're really going to look absolutely incredible. And remember, most of the damage that we see on our skin is caused by UVA and UVB rays. So we want to make sure that we're protecting our skin and that we are keeping the collagen that we have. And we can do that by making sure that we're wearing sunscreen on a daily basis. What I love about this product is that it's not just a sunscreen. It also has those additional benefits that it helped to diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles in just 7 days, which is amazing. And remember what we talked about, the importance of rest. Remember we talked about the importance of getting a good night's sleep and making sure that, that we're getting that sleep because our body is renewing itself when it's at rest. So why not add that extra benefit of a replenishing night cream? And again, we have all these amazing benefits for the epidermis, like helps diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles in just 7 days, which is so amazing that we're able to have these claims on our amazing products. Because remember, in order for us to have a claim, we have to have a clinical study. So we have to be able to prove that we're making these claims. So everything that you are hearing about the products are claims that have been proven for the results. And let's not forget about the importance of a purifying mint clay mask to pull out the impurities from the inside of the skin. This can be used, anywhere from 1 to 3 times a week, depending on your skin type. If you're a little drier, you might want to use it less. If you're a little oilier, you can use it a little bit more to pull out the impurities. And the best time to use this mask is when you have 15 to 20 minutes. That's the best time. So it could be when you get back from your workout. It could be if you're having a spa day and if you want to run the water and turn some music on, that's fantastic too. But don't let that limit you from using your purifying mint clay mask. You could do it while you're on a conference call. You could do it while you're on a training call. You could do it while you are washing dishes, folding clothes, answering emails. So get creative and make sure that you are, getting the most of your outer nutrition and out of your inner nutrition. I'm really super excited about this product coming to your market because it is one of my favorite products. As you can tell, I love this product. And the results that you are going to be getting in combination when you nourish your skin from the inside and out is obviously skin visibly delayed, skin aging visibly delayed. Most importantly, we all want to look younger. We all want to look nicer. We all want to look more handsome because this product is for men too, because men have skin. Okay, so if you have skin, let's make it very clear. If you have skin, what we talked about today is for you. So regardless of whether you're a man or a woman, and regardless of your age, it doesn't matter if you're in your 20s or in your 30s, because remember, in your mid-20s, you already start to lose that collagen. So why not supplement it? Why not delay the aging process as much as possible? So when you start to take this product, the skin becomes noticeably firmer and smoother. And of course, if you know someone who has cellulite, it reduces the appearance of cellulite too, but you get such amazing benefits. And again, if you're not suffering from any of those conditions, you can still take this product to delay the aging process because it's coming. Let me tell you, every day that goes by, it's coming. And if you start to take the product now, you will delay the aging process. So it has been a great privilege for me to be able to bring this information to you. As you can see, I am super excited about the opportunity to share my passion about this amazing product. It is one of my favorite products. Of course, listen, I love my Formula One. I love my multivitamin, my aloe, my teas. Of course, I love all of those. But I have seen a tremendous difference in my skin since taking this product. And so this is really exciting for me that finally you guys are getting this product. So I want you to share your stories with me. So share your story with me on Instagram. Let me know, even when you do your mint mask, whether it be on a Monday, on a Tuesday, on a Wednesday, share your stories with me, share them, and I will also share your passion and your excitement for the product, and share your before and afters. Share how you're liking the product. I want to stay connected with you, and I want to hear all your testimonials because I know that you are going to be just as excited after you receive those, after you get those results, just like I am. And know that we only bring you the best of the best here at Herbalife. So I am so excited and so honored to have been able to share my passion with you about outer nutrition and inner nutrition, and about the fact that now you have the skin booster in your market and that you are going to have amazing results. So let's stay connected. Thank you so much for joining this call, and I'm sure we'll be talking soon.